Hello, everyone, and welcome to the fifth episode of our Top 5 Reasons series. Today, we'll be talking about the 5 reasons why cloud computing is becoming more important in the world. However, before we start, a quick reminder to like the video and for everyone to subscribe to the channel. And press the bell notification icon for more videos like this, and you'll be notified when the latest tech videos go live. Now, let's hop right into the video. About the reasons why cloud computing is important, let's first go over what is cloud computing in general, and perhaps why it is one of the most successful technological innovations of the 21st century, because it has seen fast adaptation in the mainstream than any other form of technology in the field. This adaptation is mainly driven by the growing number of smartphones and other smart devices that can access the internet. The biggest example of cloud computing is Google Drive. Now, we all know Google Drive, right? With an overwhelming share of 94%, Google Drive is by far the most used cloud storage service in the world. Long story short, cloud computing is a form of cloud storage that is accessible by any smart device. Now that we've went through a bit of its history and what it is, let's now go over to the reasons on why it is important. Starting things off at number 1 is flexibility. With cloud computing, managing resources is easier than ever. Simply pay for the resources that you are using each month and nothing more. Cloud storage and cloud VPS providers offer flexible packages where you can easily add or decrease the amount of storage and bandwidth you are paying to use. It also has different methods of control where you can mess around with cloud options and some of its tool selections, as well as being flexible with scaling and control over your cloud storage, where organizations can control their levels of storage with as a service type deal option offered by the cloud provider. Next up, we have number 2, and that is data recovery. From the difficulty of trying not to physically damage servers and hard disks to get the lost data, now with a simple click of the button. Recovery may be impossible if the equipment has actually been severely damaged, unless you have a black box, but let's admit, most companies won't have a data box that can literally survive a plane crash. Businesses may lose critical data because of these difficulties, especially if data is not adequately backed up. These concerns are less significant, however, when it comes to cloud computing. When data is kept on the cloud, the provider usually stores it in many places. That implies your information isn't just saved in one location. Even if one of their servers or big storage facilities has a problem, your data is protected because a backup is kept somewhere else. On the other side, with cloud computing and storage, we can get a high quality service at a reasonably low cost. Also, before we move on to number 3, just an update. Our website is up and running. Be sure to check it out as we post all our updates there first, in regards to deals and uploads, as well as any information about us. We really do appreciate the support from all of you guys, and the link to the website will be in the description down below. Now, on to number 3. Speaking of number 3, and that is no maintenance. Yes, that's right, in cloud, you don't need maintenance. When using a typical server architecture, businesses must be concerned with the whole system's maintenance and all that. Not only are regular checks mandatory, but parts constantly need replacing as they stop working or become outdated over time. Maintenance is not required with a cloud computing system. Companies that employ cloud solutions save money and time since their suppliers take care of everything in regards to their data. Now, this takes a huge burden off your shoulders and ensures that your monthly expenses are restricted to the cost of the cloud service you utilize. Now on to number 4, which is ease of access. Cloud computing makes it easier to access documents, backup files, software, and the corporate website. Employees may work remotely with ease, and the entire organization is connected via the cloud interface. This is especially helpful with the current state of the world, where a lot of people are stuck at home and working from home. However, all employees will need a network connected device and the appropriate security procedures. Now that is a great segue to number 5, and that is security. Everything you access and save is in the cloud, where you use cloud computing. Even if the laptop becomes damaged or broken, the company's data and your own personal data can be accessed via another device. And because all your documents are stored in the cloud, you don't have to worry about losing essential documents that were previously kept on a lost or broken laptop or hard drive or whatever type of storage device you have. But wait, how does this help with my security, you may ask? Well, it's namely due to the fact that the information is no longer stored on an actual hard drive or a physical server. It is much more difficult for someone to steal it, as company data is significantly safer with cloud computing thanks to a strong encryption and login security mechanism. And with that, it is the end of today's video of top 5 reasons why cloud computing is becoming more important in the world. If you feel like the video was helpful, leave a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button, but don't actually smash it, just make sure it's not bright red. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments. We try our best to answer any and all of our comments, so be sure to write up anything that you are uncertain about. And one last thing, remember to check out our website for more tech deals and the lot. Thank you all so much for the support, and we will see you in the next video.